Welcome back to the Tech Couch, and today we're going to show you how to change the battery of your Apple AirTag. We've got our Find My app open here. We can see our AirTags. Here are a few of them. We got another one. But what we're going to do is notice that when we pull up the items on the AirTag and we go to one of them, we can see that this one here is low battery. If you click the low battery, change battery button, replace battery, tells you how to do it really easily, and we're also just going to show you right here. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need the CR2032. We got ours from Amazon Basics. They have a great price, and this is showing you right over there, and we'll drop a link to that to our affiliate page, but we recommend these batteries. And got a 10-pack. You're going to go to your AirTag, and you're basically going to push in and turn. You might need to do it like this, push in and turn, and then it's going to pop out. And there's the original battery. It's a Duracell. Going fancy. We're going to take out one of our new batteries out of the box. Pop that in, face up. Find the right spot where the tag goes in and push it back in and turn. And that's it. And so what we see now is that one of our tags, which was low battery, is coming back online. So all three of these actually need new batteries. We're just going to change the other two quickly right here. So again, push, turn, pops out, change the battery, put in the new one, and push it back in, and you hear that sound, so it's back online. You want to make sure when you do it that it is actually on. So if you don't do it properly, it could fall off. Third one. And again, you're just gonna find the little grooves, push it in, and turn it the other way. And there, I've heard my sound. Now my bag, which was previously low battery, is back on full. So that's how you change the battery. Thanks for joining us on the Tech Couch. For more tech tips, check us out at techcouch.ca, techcouch.ca/tutor, and tech it easy.